Hey guys, a quick vid to show you guys how the kick harness work in my Naomi universal cap. Here you can see the Capcom play system kick harness. It's a 10 pin connector, but only 8 pins wires are used, of course. They go around here in front to the jamma main harness, and then here this little guy, you can see it, this white guy, is a connector that goes to the I/O board, to the converter board from JVS to jamma. Normally it's exactly the same, but directly, here you can see it directly soldered in to the PCB, but yeah, it's not good every time connect, disconnect, so I make an extender wire from this little way, about 10-15 centimeters or so. Yeah, it goes to 8 pin standard connector, which it's easily to swap out the different connectors. Of course, you must it right wire up so that it works perfectly. Of course, this is the play system 1, the kick harness, and here for example you can see this is my Killer Instinct. It works for Killer Instinct 1, 2, MK2, 3, 3U, and 4. It's a 15 pin connector, with also 8 wires, 2 grounds, and for every player 3 buttons. It goes away to the other end, and here you can see this is my standard 8 pin connector that I use here in the cap. And here you can see it's only 8 wires, the 2 grounds of course, and then for each player 3 wires for every button. And it's the same here for the Capcom play system. So I can easily swap out the different kick harness. I think it's a really good way to make this, because you have nothing to solder, to rewire, only plug, out plug, really easy. You only must to know, of course, the different pinouts from the different boards, but this is not a big deal. You can find it in every site from the internet. Thanks for watching, guys.